Hey guys, we received this Sukita gaming chair for test and try. This have a inbuilt footrest, ergonomic computer chair, and the massage lumbar cushion. So this is a great game chair, and let's see how this works. So this is instruction how to install everything or assemble everything. So it's pretty straightforward assembly with everything provided, and this is a wine red color, so it's pretty cool color, and a cushion for the back, and also have a USB massager inside, so you can put in the USB massager for your lumbar support. So say the legs, so quality is good. Let me unbox and take out everything. So once this put everything and so all the material and stuff, so this is the whole unboxing. So legs and stuff, so it's pretty nice color as well. So let me start. So everything is marked, and the tools and everything is marked as well. So it's pretty nice that you can easily put in the stuff. So just click and clock, and then there is a screws that goes on the top. So their screws also have these numbers, and the tools is provided so that you can easily just put in the tools. So wheels and everything is there that you can just put in. So the cylinder thing, and this mechanism is on the top you have to put in, and then in the back there is the support for this triangular stuff, so you have to add in that. So everything I will say is mentioned in the manual, and you have to just put in all the things together. So once this is all done, you will see the complete chair. Pretty nice chair, and with the lumbar support USB thing. So this is a comfortable chair, as you can see. This have the vibrator. You can adjust from the external power battery or anything. So the pillow have the vibration motor. So this is the recliner button that you can do the reclining and up and down as well. So you can choose what reclining position you want, and you can lock that reclining position, and you can enjoy the reclining thing. And also this have this footrest, so you can take this footrest out, and you can just do whatever the way you want. So this is just to show you that footrest. So let me take a little bit back, so you can have this side as a reclining, or you can do the whole reclining along with the footrest. So depends on things, and there is a pillow on the top, so that's very nice for the head. And then you can easily step on this footrest, so it's more relaxing and very nice comfortable footrest as well. So this pillow is really nice, like if you put this additional battery, so I will show you the motor and everything, and the other stuff. So overall, you can see along with the footrest, these are really nice space. And as I mentioned, so you can also put in this in a power backup or directly to the USB. And there is a motor, vibrated motor inside, and this pillow can be used to create the vibration. So any additional sources for the USB to show up the vibration, and from the back and the side looks very nice and comfortable. So wheels are also very responsive, that you can also put in up and down function and the reclining function. So I put this footrest down and see like vertical section. Very nice gaming chair.